something that we haven't done in a long time, auction pickup. And it's not even that I haven't filmed picking up auction items recently. I just have not been purchasing from auctions. They were really high and they still are. Just recently have I started looking at them again, and I'm doing much better this time about placing my bids and walking away and just letting it go. If I don't win, I don't win, so be it. But I thought you all might be interested in coming with me on auction pickup today, because today specifically I'm picking up 4 auctions worth of stuff. So this is gonna be a multiple trip auction pickup. Probably at least 3 trips, at least 3. What I normally do is I bid on night 1 and on night 2, and then I pick both of them up on the same day. Last week I ended up being sick on pickup day. So today, instead of just having to pick up this week's 2-night auction hauls, I'm having to pick up 4. This video is either coming out after part 3 of the reset series or in between part 2 and part 3. And if that's the case, I'm sorry, I'm working on part 3 right now. This reset's been a process. It's taken a little longer than I expected. So please accept this video as an apology and a peace offering for not having part 3 up yet. It is coming, I promise. It is on the way. But auction pickup can't wait, or else they'll charge me money. We need to go do that.
Okay. Yeah. Look, yeah, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it, I see a flip, I make a flip, I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick, this that double shift, this that overtime, I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind, it's for my people standing up until they back hurt, it's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir.
Well, that's last week's.
You hear the way how I be rocking on the beat, I'm a rock star, boy I rock it in sleep.
That's all house stuff from Mom and Dad. We're gonna start charging you rent.
Open the cash register, running sales back to back peddlers.
Pretty good piece. The only thing that needs to happen on this one is I need to replace the drawer bottom. I've done that like I don't even know how many times.
Oh my gosh.
Show them.
This is so up my alley. I don't know what ARP is. There's some very abstract shapes going on here. So it feels like a picture book, like a children's book. Yeah, and the girl that was also sitting at the end of the table here, that's my sister's.
Supposedly that's mostly student work, but it's still
Are you
beautiful.
kidding me?
Look at these pieces. Show that. I know. Show them that one.
This one's beautiful.
Aren't those pretty?
This is gorgeous. Art books. This is awesome.
Coffee table style. Like American painting. Surrealist art. They're hefty books. Mirror, ironstone galore, and a really cute blanket. Isn't that nice?
Nice colors.
Some really good
I like this
pieces.
picture.
I know, I do too. All right, so this might be where I lose subscribers because I might have gone a little overboard. It was definitely an artist stuff. Basically, there was a bunch of student work.
It could have been a professor that kept their students' artwork or something like that.
That's also a possibility, but it's probably just a student artist. There's a ton of nudes. So like this is one stack.
That's a lot.
Here's some more. This top one doesn't do it justice, but here's another sleeve.
Candlestick holders, little glass ones. There's a lot of these.
There's even more.
These are ashtrays?
Yeah, they're really
How
cool
the heck?
ashtrays. Isn't that awesome?
And this is an ashtray?
Uh-huh.
Stop.
Yeah. That
This
one,
is so cool.
I'm not, yeah.
Do they all come apart?
Uh-huh.
And they're like individual ashtrays?
Yeah. I won't keep all of this box, but there are some things in here that I really liked. There's a pair of these candle lanterns. Y'all have seen me pick these up before. An inlaid box, hand carved. This is a nice little leather wallet.
Is there money in it?
Check.
Oh my gosh, stop!
Credit cards.
There's a picture! Ooh.
Dates it a little.
Oh.
Oh.
We're off to a good start.
This system would be way before my bachelor's. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word. The system got me on my back, what's the answer?
Do we leave this here?
Down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop.
With little tea plates, teacups,
Fire King set with gold rim.
glass baskets. She's had a few of these.
I'm very picky with those. I don't like just any glass baskets. I like that specific one with the ribbing. Seneca driftwood and blue drinking glassware set. These platters are so heavy.
I know.
They're beautiful though. Silver plated old platters. Massive, huge. I think these are nice. I like these. I don't normally like platters.
Massive piece of marble. Trip number 2 is done.
Let's go get 3.
Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it.
It's raining. We got it all done just in time. These are all Lucketts exclusives. They're going to Lucketts, not to the booth. I will have part 3 of the reset out soon. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you guys. Filler video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Bye. Do you think they'll kick me out of Lucketts if I bring more nude work? There's some really nice ones in here. And I think if they were framed, they would be so pretty. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I think there's so many.
Yeah.
What do you think price-wise?
I have no idea. Like this one I would pay more for versus others.
Oh, definitely, yeah.